Forget everything you know about standard outdoor platforms. The 2026 SHOT Show in Las Vegas just completely changed the game. We are talking about aerospace-grade titanium and 3D printed carbon fiber engineered for the absolute highest levels of target shooting and backcountry survival. We analyzed the entire show floor to bring you the top 5 most advanced platforms that will redefine your setup. We are counting down from number 5 to the undisputed king of the mountain at number 1, so do not go anywhere. Coming in at number 5 is the Savage 110 Next Generation Core Hunter. If you have ever struggled to get the perfect cheek weld or felt like your platform simply did not fit right, Savage just solved that problem completely. The biggest innovation here is the AccuFit V2 system featuring the quickset dial. Imagine being able to adjust your length of pull and comb height in seconds, right out in the field without a single tool. You can raise the cheek riser up to 0.8 inches for perfect optic alignment and extend the butt pad in 1/8 inch increments. It does not matter if you are running target shooting drills in a t-shirt or wearing a heavy parka for winter survival. This platform adapts to your body instantly. Savage also upgraded the core with a new vertical cut receiver, in which drastically reduces friction for an incredibly smooth bolt travel. This means flawless reliability and faster follow-up shots when you need to protect your family or neutralize a threat under pressure. Starting at just $799, this brings custom ergonomics to the mass market. Moving down to number 4, we have the Tikka T3x Ace Game. If you are serious about long-range target shooting or locking down a static survival position, this platform is a massive crossover from the competition world. The Ace Game uses a completely modular aluminum chassis system instead of a standard stock. This gives you absolute structural rigidity in any weather condition. You can swap out standard AR-15 pistol grips and buffer tube stocks to match your exact preference. You can even change out the magazine wells depending on your loadout needs. Now, this platform comes in heavy at 8.8 to 9.3 pounds, but that is a highly intentional design choice. In defensive or long-range target scenarios, that extra mass acts as an inertial damper. It absorbs felt recoil and keeps your optic completely stable, allowing you to stay on target and confirm your hits without losing your sight picture. Built on the legendary T3X action with a Teflon-coated bolt, the cycling is effortlessly smooth. It also features a medium contour fluted barrel that is fully threaded and ready for a suppressor, making it a highly capable tool for protecting your property. All of this comes in at around $1,700. Taking the number 3 spot is the Bergara Premier Cima Pro. If you ever wanted a custom tier aerospace carbon fiber setup without paying custom shop prices, Bergara just changed the industry. The defining feature here is the autoclave manufacturing process. Instead of a standard wet layup, Bergara cures this carbon fiber stock under intense heat and high atmospheric pressure. This squeezes out all excess resin and completely eliminates any air pockets. The result is a ridiculously strong, monolithic structure that dampens recoil perfectly every single time you pull the trigger. Up front, you get the proprietary Cure carbon barrel. Most carbon-wrapped barrels trap heat, but Bergara weaves actual stainless steel strands directly into the carbon matrix. These strands act like thermal highways, pulling heat away from the bore and pushing it into the air, keeping your platform perfectly accurate during extended target shooting sessions. The barreled action is built on the Bergara Premier footprint with a floating bolt head, and it comes standard with a TriggerTech trigger. That frictionless release technology gives you an absolutely flawless break when you are practicing self-defense drills. Coming in at $3,099, this undercuts the custom market by thousands while delivering pure performance. Moving into the runner-up spot at number 2, we have the Henry SPD Predator. Forget the classic cowboy gun. This is a total revolution of the lever action platform for the 21st century. If you need a fast handling tool for protecting your property or neutralizing a threat, this is a massive upgrade and a highly capable alternative to a standard modern sporting rifle. The biggest shock is the free-floating architecture. Henry completely eliminated the traditional barrel bands. Up front, you are looking at a BSF carbon fiber wrapped barrel. Unlike other designs, it leaves an air gap between the carbon sleeve and the steel liner. This gives you insane stiffness and rapid cooling without the heavy front-end weight of a solid steel bull barrel. Because of this perfect harmonic balance, Henry is offering an unprecedented sub-minute of angle accuracy guarantee on a production lever action. Inside, it runs an enclosed hammer design. The hammer is completely sealed within the receiver, meaning mud, snow, and debris will not jam up your action during a harsh survival situation. But the absolute game changer is the feed system. Instead of a tubular magazine, the SPD Predator feeds from detachable box magazines chambered in 223 Remington and 5.56 NATO. This allows you to run modern, pointed, high ballistic coefficient bullets, effectively doubling your effective target shooting range compared to traditional lever guns. Coming in at $2,510, this is a premium tactical and survival tool built for absolute reliability. And finally, taking the absolute #1 spot is the Weatherby Mark V Backcountry Capra. If you are operating in deep backcountry survival scenarios, weight is your worst enemy. Weatherby just completely shattered the limits of metallurgy by delivering a production platform that weighs a staggering 4.1 pounds. This is a pure triumph of aerospace engineering. The core of this platform is a 6-lug titanium receiver. Because titanium is notoriously difficult to machine, Weatherby uses advanced surface coatings and a deeply spiral fluted bolt body. These channels instantly clear out mud, ice, and carbon, guaranteeing absolute reliability in harsh environments where you need to protect your family or survive extreme conditions. The action is bedded into a Peak 44 blacktooth stock. And instead of traditional hand-laid materials, it uses an advanced 3D printed core. This internal structure gives you massive torsional rigidity while keeping the stock weight under 20 ounces. Up front, you have a double helix spiral fluted barrel. Ultra-thin barrels usually suffer from heat drift, but these deep grooves massively increase the surface area for rapid cooling during intense target shooting sessions. To handle the extreme velocities of the new RPM cartridges, Weatherby equips this with the AccuBrake ST. This 3D printed titanium muzzle device cuts felt recoil by up to 53%, dropping the kick down to a completely manageable level so you can stay right on target. Priced at $3,499, this is the absolute pinnacle of lightweight performance and tactical readiness. The era of the generic outdoor platform is completely over. What we saw at the 2026 SHOT Show proves that the future belongs to highly specialized, purpose-built tools. Whether you need a featherweight platform for deep backcountry survival or a massive inertial damper for long-range target shooting, the technology is finally here. Aerospace engineering, 3D printing, and advanced carbon fiber are no longer just for custom builds. They are ready to protect your family and enhance your self-defense capabilities right now. Which of these 5 platforms would you choose for your personal setup? Let me know down in the comments. If you want to stay ahead of the curve on the latest survival gear and tactical reviews, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Stay safe, stay prepared, and I will see you in the next one.